Hello, my name is Ziva and this is Ezra. Today we'll be hosting Sunway Medical Centre Kids Meet Doctor. So what are we gonna talk about today, Ezra?
Well, Ziva, today is all about accident and emergencies. You know all those exciting stuff about ambulances. On that, we've got Dr Elayni today here with us.
Where's Dr Elayni?
I have no idea.
Hi Ziva! Hi Ezra! Thanks for inviting me here today. I'm Dr Elayni and do you know where I'm from?
I only know what A and E means.
Okay, what does A and E means?
Accident and emergency.
Ta-da! You got it right. The emergency department is actually very, very interesting. A lot of cases come in. We don't know what's going to get. I don't know what I'm going to get every day.
How do patients come to your accident and emergency place?
How many patients I get in a day?
Yes.
I can get from as little as 100 to as many as 1,000, depending on how busy the day could be like. It's never empty.
Do you have to work at night before you even could hear them?
There are days where I'm on call. On call means you have to be in the hospital and you have to be there in case someone calls you or needs your help. So you have to sleep at whatever bed you find in the hospital.
Do you get sad when you cannot help the patient?
If I see younger patients, and they're really, really sick, it gets very, very sad. When I first started working as a doctor, I find it very stressful as well. It was, I go back and I'll think about it. But as years goes by and I'm getting used to it, I'm getting better and better.
Wait, so you don't get nightmares?
No, I don't get nightmares anymore.
What is CPR?
CPR is, have you seen when someone actually falls down and collapses? They won't be able to move, they won't be able to breathe, and their heart will stop beating. CPR, the fancy name is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It means we're going to have to get your heart and get your lungs back into action. So mommy and daddy comes over. What are you going to tell them?
This person is not responding to me.
And this person collapsed.
Bingo! So what would mommy and daddy do? Or what would you do?
Call
to check?
999.
No, before that, we have to check if they're breathing or not. Okay, so how do you check for their breathing?
Like this?
Tilt the head over, put your cheeks over here and feel for any breathing. You have to look if their chest is rising or not. So that's why you look on that side. The other side. Okay. Alright, so if the person is not breathing, it's not breathing!
And then call 999.
Call 999.
999.
Call 999
Hello? What do you want to say?
This person collapsed.
Yes, we have someone who collapsed. Send an ambulance over. Okay, so before the ambulance comes, anyone at home, okay, because you guys are still small, get anyone who's big enough at home to start CPR. So this is why it's very important for you to learn this. So how do you do CPR? Put your hands in front. Okay, right hand in front, right hand, left hand on top, elbow straight, and let's put it at the center of the chest. It's best if we actually take off the clothes. Come on, unzip. Here's the mark. Here's the mark. Okay? So we're going to do this together. I'm going to count until 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep your hands here and go. 1,
Squeak.
2, 3.
Squeak.
Get someone to do CPR until the ambulance comes over and you're done. So first, check if they're responsive. Very good push-ups I'm getting. Call for help. And check for breathing. If the person is not breathing, immediately get someone to call 999 and we'll start CPR and continue CPR until the ambulance comes. Okay? Easy peasy?
Lemon squeezy.
Thank you for watching Kids Meet Doctor series.
See you next time.
Bye.